Back to how to make slime and more. As you know, I said I was going to record at angles like this, which I'm actually doing. So for this video, you will need something to mix in, some soap, has to be slimy, and something to mix with. I'm just using the bottom of this spoon. And then you're just gonna, how much you pour will be how much slime you will probably get. I don't know. There's no specific measurement that I do, so yeah. There's probably a specific. I just get some salt. Just add pinch. Add 3 pinches. And put the rest on there. Keep adding pinches until it forms into slime. Oh my gosh, how much? Just keep adding pinches. So far, I already added 6 pinches. Oh, it's slime. It's already slime. Okay. So if you add, yeah. So I just added some water to it. So I added some water, which you can add if you want to. It's just to make these soft. So you're gonna add some salt. To me, I don't take measurements, so I'm not supposed to know. I don't actually know. Hope this works because I never tried this right before. So hopefully it works. Because if it don't, I'm not gonna be so freaking. Okay, so I'm gonna use a marker to mix with it. So if you know all the measurements to this slime, comment it down below. Because I just know you will need soap, water, and salt. I'm just adding how much salt I want to. And it looks like it's becoming slime. Just adding more. As you can see, it's not slime yet. I don't know if I added too much water or too much salt. I don't know which one it was, but yeah. Just gonna add some more slime. Oh, shoot. If you did my cut, honest, I really didn't have this issue. This is like still not working. Yeah, so I actually got this from another. I actually got this idea from another YouTuber, and obviously, I will tell you what YouTuber I got it from. And if you're watching the YouTuber that I got it from, you're like so wrong about this method. Came and made this video for nothing. Like completely water. Feels like just water. Water. I hate water. So I'm gonna like redo this. This time I'm not gonna add water. Okay. I'm kinda scared to try this again. Oops, y'all. It's either my measurement or him just don't know what he's doing. I think every time he stopped the camera, he was adding something. So, yeah. You guys don't have no idea how mad I am. Cause like, yeah. I'm like, really mad. Like, hold on, cut this down.